Okay, so permutations, order matters. Okay, that is something that you're going to have to remember for the rest of this semester. Order matters. It is very important when you're talking about permutations. Okay, it is anything specific, anything dealing with lining something up, hanging something up. It matters. So before we begin with that, I must tell you, you have to have one of the calculators we use in class to do this. I gave you all the link on how to download it on your Android and your iPhone when we were doing trigonometry. If you did not download it then, I will add it to the notes for this video. So make sure you pay attention to that, because if you do not have the calculator, you will not be able to get the answer. So again, permutations means order matters. As you saw in the previous video and picture, I gave you some examples of what would be a permutation. So number one, in a group of 15, 3 will be chosen for captain, co-captain, and manager. How many ways can that happen? Well, we know that's a permutation because you have captain, co-captain, and manager. Those are your specific positions right there. Okay? Captain, co-captain, manager. So when you go to put it in the calculator, you would have 15 P3. Okay? That is how you would type it in. And the calculator steps will be posted. But 15 P3. And so there are 2,730 ways on how to choose your captain, co-captain, and manager. I know it sounds a little crazy, but when you're thinking about arrangements and, okay, I'm going to use these 3 first, these 3, then mix up the next 3, it makes sense. So just roll with it. Number 2, Mary is hanging 4 pictures on a wall. How many ways can this be done? Well, Mary is hanging 4 pictures on the wall. In other words, they're going to be in a straight line. She can alternate how she hangs them. She can put number 4 as second, number 1 as third, and so on, so on, so on. So anytime you're hanging something on a wall, you're putting something in a line, you're arranging it on a bookshelf, and you only have one number, you're going to do 4 factorial, which is still a permutation because one book or one picture can't hold 2 positions. So you'll put it in the calculator as 4 factorial. Factorial is that exclamation point. And there are 24 ways to hang up 4 pictures. So those are your examples of permutation. Order matters. You have to remember that.